Okay.
Okay, so we have a leaking inlet T that looks like a poor connection. It's pretty old right here, so it looks like it needs to be replaced. It doesn't look like a lot of water, but if you look on the ground, you can see how much water is sitting around these trees right here versus one tree up that has just a sprinkler around it, and it's quite a big difference. So this is a fairly easy repair. Requires sometimes just a gasket, possibly some Teflon tape, and in this event, considering there's cracking around here, this probably just needs a new inlet T. They have a shut-off valve right here, so this is a pretty easy replacement. Shut the water off, unscrew your T, cut it off and replace it. And if you could see on here, it's cracked around here pretty bad and definitely needs to be replaced. But that's a lot of water being lost through what looks like a fairly insignificant leak.